you doing?
I'm doing the sauce. Guys, it's marinara sauce. And I'm just warming it up, and it's ready.
Enséñame. Show me. Enseña. Enséñame la salsa.
Is this still on?
No.
It has the light on still.
Mm-hmm. That means it's still hot.
I'm gonna take it away from it.
Just leave it on there since it's gonna keep it warm for a little bit.
Okay.
It wasn't that hot anyways. What you
I'm
got in there?
rolling.
Okay, be careful. When you open it, it's gonna put a lot of steam out.
You said it.
Yep.
And I think the pasta's in there.
All right, so take out that lid and put it here on the side. Be careful. There you go. Now grab the tongs
These stings.
and
Do we turn it off first?
there you go. Now
turn it off.
just be careful. Grab some and pull it out. Let's see the color.
I need some protecting.
Okay, that's what you're gonna use. That's good.
It's not green.
It's not green yet, huh?
I don't think it's gonna turn green because look how near it is to turning green. It's not. I think I should put more green.
Stir it. What happens if
This?
this? Careful.
I'm trying.
Despacito. So it's not turning green, huh?
No. Maybe we need a little more green.
Yeah.
You want me to put a little?
No. We'll pour it afterwards then. No, not right now. Don't use it all up. So we learn maybe that it's still not done. We learned that maybe it needs to be colored afterwards.
I told you so. We talked about this in the car.
Really?
Oh, more marinara sauce. What? It's good.
You're gonna have to wash that after that.